Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, please subscribe. So all of us have been spending more time on our mobile phones and laptops since we are going through quarantine all over the world, and we've been spending more time at home and have been working endlessly on different kind of projects to stay productive. But at the same time, it's really important that we should not neglect our health. So in this video, I will be talking about fitness apps which you can use during this quarantine period to improve your workout routine while at the same time focusing on your work. Although there is no shortage of fitness apps, but I was looking for something specific, something which can teach me how to work out in a closed space and something with no equipments at all. Moreover, I was also interested to learn different kind of workout formats, right from strength training to cardio, dance routine and kickboxing, meditation, something which can really be helpful for me in the long run, and if I can continue with such workout series in the future, then probably consider here the job done. Last but not the least, if these workout sessions are available at free of cost, if not all, then if most of them are available free of cost, then probably that's the best thing which can really benefit any individual. Keeping in mind all these factors, here are 4 fitness apps which I have personally tried in last 60 days, and I would like to recommend the same to you. The first one is Nike Training Club app, and it's probably one of the best fitness apps I've ever tried. And amongst the 4 fitness app which I'm going to recommend in this video, again I would be saying this is probably the best one. It's pretty easy to sort out and filter out workouts in the Nike Training Club app as per your requirements. You can be a beginner or you can be an advanced athlete, and it has got different kind of workout series which pretty much meets the requirement of people of all age group, and whether you have experience or not, it's very convenient to use. So every session in Nike Training Club app starts with a warm-up, and it is followed by a series of workout routine in which you can see a video and there's a trainer's voice behind the video which is guiding you through the series of workout. So hence it is very convenient and easy to follow the entire routine. And while trying out any of the workout series in Nike Training Club app, you do not need any kind of equipment at all. So just like me, if you do not have anything at home, no dumbbells, no power bands, nothing, you can just simply use your body weight and pick up any kind of different session which you feel can meet your requirement. And probably the best thing about this app is that it is entirely free. Yes, in the time of COVID crisis, Nike is offering its premium subscription to its users for free of cost. The second one I would recommend is Freeletics, and this is again one of the most popular fitness apps and have been used very actively by people all across the world. There are 2 important things about this app. First one is that this app really focuses on personalized journey of an individual, and after understanding their requirements, it kind of really suggests the best plan which focuses on the fitness journey of a person. So this one is a big advantage. And another one which I feel is that this is a very pocket-friendly app. So the customized plans which are designed are generally paid, and it can cost you anything from 600 rupees to up to 3000 rupees. It also depends upon the time duration of the workout, whether you opt for a 3-week workout package or up to a 12-week workout package. But apart from the paid membership, there are certainly workout techniques which are available on this app for free of cost. In case you're a beginner, you can definitely give it a try. The next one I can suggest here is Calm app, and as the name suggests, it really focuses on mental health of an individual, which is as important as physical health. As per the recent stats by CNBC, Calm meditation app is very popular amongst masses all across the world, has been downloaded several times and is worth $1 million. You will find different kind of meditation techniques on Calm app which helps to reduce anxiety decrease your stress level, and boost your overall confidence. Advanced meditation techniques of Calm app using bedtime stories and soothing music can really improve your mental health and boost your overall productivity. And believe it or not, it kind of affects your immune system as well. To use the Calm app, you can start off with a 7-day trial period which is free of cost, and post that you will have to incur a cost of $6, which is equivalent to 450 Indian rupees, for about a month, and according to your requirements you can avail a package. And the last one here which I would like to mention is Cult Fitness app, which is a homegrown brand. Yes, this is India Fitness app backed by celebrities like Hrithik Roshan and Tiger Shroff. Cult Fitness app focuses on a holistic approach of both physical and mental well-being, and you can find on this app all different kind of workout formats, right from power yoga to strength training, kickboxing and meditation techniques as well, to focus on your mental well-being. And probably the best thing about this app is that currently all the live workout sessions are absolutely free of cost. So just like Nike Training Club, if you're looking for something in which you do not have to incur any cost during the time of COVID crisis, then probably Cult Fitness app is another great option for you. And apart from free live sessions, they also have some celebrity fitness training sessions hosted by some famous stars like Mary Kom and Jacqueline Fernandez, in which these stars give you their fitness tips, which can really be helpful. So we've come to the end of the video, guys. I hope you find it useful and you're able to keep up with your fitness game. And I would really like to know how you're keeping fit in quarantine. So please comment below and tell me, how do you keep in shape, or how have you been working out in last 60 days. If you like this video, please hit a like button and subscribe to my channel for more such videos in future. Till then, take care, stay safe and stay indoors. Go out for essential travels and your essential needs, but please take care of yourself and your family. Bye.